So the Mind Trust turns 15 this summer. Our organization has continued to evolve, and we're now at a point where we're just really proud of the team that we've become. We're really proud about the partnerships that we've formed in the community, and we're exceptionally proud of the number of school leaders in our city that have gone on to launch great schools for kids.
They sold the city as the 13th largest city, was what they love to say, and like the progressive nature, the Hoosier hospitality, the desire to work together even across party lines and not have political barriers in regards to opening schools and doing what's best for kids was a great sell. So from the onset of my time here in Indianapolis, I felt like a tremendous amount of support. I think that it's really important that we create systems where everybody has a seat at the table. Our board is super diverse. We've got representation across party lines. We have representation across cultural and racial lines, because I think if we all work together, we can create something great that all kids can be a part of. And I think the Mind Trust is moving in that direction.
We really believe in working alongside the community, working with them to produce better and stronger neighborhoods and have better schools and provide better opportunities for children. And so the fact that so many of our partners trust us and believe in the work that we do is tremendous.
So as we think about turning 15 years old, I think this is the right time to make sure that we're refreshing our brand and that we're thinking about how can the way that we communicate the Mind Trust reflect who we are as an organization and also reflect the community that we're here to serve. So that's why I'm just so excited to refresh our brand, to make sure that we're communicating in ways that are inclusive and that really show the community what the Mind Trust is all about. One thing that was important to our team as we redesigned our logo and our branding is that we honored the history of the Mind Trust, but we also ensured that students were at the center of all that we do, which is why I'm so excited about our new logo. If you look at it, it looks a lot like our old logo, but if you look closely, there's a kid at the center. There's a student that is at the heart of everything we do, and we thought it was very important to show directly to our community that students are at the heart of everything that we do at the Mind Trust and the center of our mission. And we think that our new logo in particular really drives that point home. If anybody wants to learn more about the Mind Trust, visit us on our new website, themindtrust.org.